Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious smoothie using fresh ingredients from your garden. First, let's talk about gathering your produce. Head out to your garden and select about 2 cups of ripe fruits and vegetables. Think about what's in season and what flavors you enjoy together. For example, a handful of spinach, 1 ripe banana, and a few berries make a fantastic base. This ensures your smoothie is packed with natural goodness and vibrant taste. Now that you've gathered your garden treasures, it's time for preparation. Always wash your fruits and vegetables thoroughly to remove any soil or debris. Next, prepare your produce by removing any unwanted parts like stems from berries or seeds from apples. For larger items, chop them into small, manageable pieces, about 1 inch in size. This step is crucial for a smooth blend and ensures your blender can handle all the fresh ingredients effectively. With your ingredients prepped, it's time for the magic of blending. Start by adding about 1/2 cup of your chosen liquid to the blender. Water, almond milk, or coconut water all work wonderfully. Then add your prepared garden fruits and vegetables. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for 60 to 90 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, add a little more liquid, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Congratulations, you've just created a fantastic garden smoothie. Pour your vibrant, freshly blended drink into a glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a fresh mint leaf from your garden or a few whole berries. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and nutrients directly from your own backyard. Enjoy this refreshing and healthy treat, knowing exactly where every ingredient came from. Cheers to your garden fresh creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.